Okay, welcome guys. Today is the 4th of April 2022. It's 10 past 12 local time. I would like to make a bit of an overview video, so showing you different markets, also on different time frames. So let's start with euro dollar. Obviously looks kind of bearish. We had some longies coming in. Look at that. With the shorties, the big up move, stop hunt. Dumb money switch from shorties to longies, okay, red to green. So the dumb money tried to buy the dip, thinking it will go up further. So what happens? Smart money algo pushes the price all the way down against the buyers, taking out their stops. And this will continue. As you can see, there's some medium-term stops, some short-term stops. Maybe it will take down the complete move. Now you also see there's this medium-term stop, the yellow line above the price around the 1.105 something level. It can take it any time if it wants to, but obviously that would be a nice short trade. If the price goes up, takes a stop, and the longies continue buying, that would be a typical trend resumption pullback entry short for me. But this needs to happen first. At those price levels right now, I'm not too keen to go short right now because the market came already. But it looks like the most likely outcome is a continuation of the down move towards the low. A reverse grail pattern, you see? A half circle kind of pattern. And you see much more clarity. That's why our subscribers see the multiple time frames. Look, when you go to the day chart, it's much easier to see what's going on. Look at that. Longies are dominating. So that was a great short entry up there. Look, this is this is a very good setup, to be honest. Look at that. Okay, we have those highs. This move has cleared up the highs, the stops. Yeah, we have old longies, as you can see here, and new longies trying to buy the dip. So that's a great post-stop hunt trade for us. Okay, to go down, trend resumption against the buyers, the new and old buyers, until all these empties here get taken out. You see? So quite nice. Yeah, we'll go down further from here, definitely. Yeah. We'll take at least this stop. Though it does as we speak. It's just 2 spreads away from the first stop here. Okay, so typical case. Even though euro dollar came down so much already, it continues retesting the lows if longies try to buy and place their stops below the low. The typical textbook error many people make. Okay, so yeah, euro dollar short-term bearish. Okay, let me also show you next dollar yen. Look, we have some empties above the high. If these get taken and no more shorties come in, maybe some longies at least, that would be a nice short entry down, because we have empties down here around the 120.95, for example. You see, so base case would be a small up move. Okay, cleaning those out. Once this has been done, maybe little double top and boom, down move. So that could be an interesting trade this week, as you can see. Next I show you EG, euro pound, has basically followed the whole euro dollar dynamic. You see, up against the shorties, down against the longies. The same thing I've showed you just a few minutes ago. Cable, a little bit more complex, with some longies coming in over several sessions, so it came down but retested the highs in between. Cable tends to do that. It can be quite cheeky by saying, look, I clear the highs, boom, in a quick move and then go back down. Currently some longies try to keep on buying, so I would think it follows euro dollar down a little. But as you can see, that's definitely not the better choice. Like, if you would force me to trade either euro dollar or cable now, I would obviously rather have the short euro dollar towards the empties there. Yes. Next I show you Kiwi Dollar. It's within some kind of range there between the 0.699 and the 0.688. Some longies, some shorties. Not interested in placing a trade here. That's too neutral. Not difficult to see that. And this is even also the case for Aussie dollar. Look at that, quite a tight range consolidation in Aussie dollar. Not keen on trading this. Probably will go up and take those upper stops and then go down or something like that. But the bias is too low. When the bias is too low, we are not keen on placing trades, yes? We know the game. Dollar cut. Came down as expected against longies, now also rather neutral. Euro yen coming down together with pound yen, the beast, and dollar yen. Yen pairs seem to come down. Yeah, euro yen, as you can see, the most likely outcome is a down move towards this low here with the empty. Took the ST as we speak and now takes a medium term stop here at the low. Also tradable actually, to be honest. But again, so on the checklist, the one thing which is missing is like some proper green bars, yeah? Then I would trade more. This would be only a small trade towards the low. You see these things all the time, nothing special. For us, nothing special. For other people, very special. I'm just showing you here also the higher time frames in... yeah, that one. That one was so interesting. I've shown you that before. Namely Euro Aussie. Let me show you the 4-hour chart. Yeah, that has been so interesting. Look at that. So you remember I've documented that all the way, yeah? This crazy down move against all the longies. Look at that. There was a bit of a pullback and then again longies and again a down move. Let me just zoom it out a little so you can see it even better. Look at that, how crazy. You remember I've documented this down move before. Look at this chart. I need to move down a little here. You see, longies came to the market trying to buy, boom, a complete clear out down to the 1.46 level, pull back, and then boom, the second attack against the longies. Can you imagine how many buyers got killed here? Yeah. Very nasty, but makes complete sense from a market causality perspective. A lot of pips to be made if you see this and get it right. We know that. Those are beautiful trades. It doesn't even matter if you enter expensively, believe it or not. Beautiful, beautiful. I also want to show you... Yeah, let me show you just again cable on a 4-hour chart here. You see, so we had some kind of 4-hour reversal down against the longies, a pullback, longies buying again, down move. So we see above the price all the old long position of the dumb money. This is natural resistance to the price, as we know. But the lower stops are kind of far away. They're not below the low here. They're more like below the older low from March 11th or something. So this pair can be tricky. So if it comes a little higher or stops get pulled in or more longies insist on buying, that would be a short down, yeah? But these things need to happen first. I'm not, randomly placing trades. That's not what we do. Okay, so that was just a rough overview. Hope you liked it. All the best.